Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crafteria. I am Sarika and I share my creative journey through these videos. Holiday season has already begun and I can already feel the festivities in the air. Even though this year is not the same, but still we are all trying to live our life with the pandemic. In today's video, I'll show you how to do dot painting on Christmas bubbles. These Christmas ornaments look so beautiful with the dot painting. I will share my tips and tricks to make this process easier. I am going to show you 4 different designs. So first of all, I'll tell you what are the things I am going to use today. These bubbles or balls are the base that I got from the Amazon. They are really tiny. I am going to use washi tape rolls to keep them on so they won't slip. This is the white pencil for glass that I am going to use for marking the lines. These are the flesh acrylic paints. They are multi-surface paints that I am going to use today. I am going to use blue tack to stick the ornaments on the tape roll so that they won't slip. And for dragging the dots, I have taken a pin and taped it on the toothpick. I will use it as a dragging tool. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. I post 2 to 3 videos every week. So let's start today's video. I am keeping it on this washi tape roll so that it does not slip while painting. I am using a small lid of a bottle to mark a circle with the white pencil. And then it becomes easier to mark the center of the bubble. I am using white metallic acrylic paints to paint this ornament. Like always, I am using a cone to do the dot painting. You can use dotting tools or you can learn to make cones from one of my video. Link is in the description. This is a very simple design that I am doing on this ornament. Once this side dries, I did the same design on the other side too. This next ornament is smaller than the first one. So I took a smaller washi tape roll and used 2 pieces of blue tack to stick it on the tape roll. I have removed the thread also so that it does not come in between while doing the work. You can see how I am marking this ball. I kept one small bottle of the same height where I wanted the line. Then I kept the pencil at one place and kept rotating the ornament. And I got a perfect line on the round surface. You can use that method on any circular object. So this is how I painted these ornaments. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Keep watching the videos on my channel and I will bring you more holiday season DIYs.